Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you another secret recipe of pears. So join me as I show you how to prepare these pears and how to end up having a really amazing dish or amazing dessert of pears. So we start by washing the pears, and these have already been washed. And what next to do is to peel the pears. I'm just going to peel these pears here because I've prepared the other ones already. So you just peel the pears. Pears are loaded with fiber, they are loaded with vitamins, and they are very good for our well-being. And this fruit is really a health option when it comes to desserts. Next thing is to cut the pear in half. We cut the pear in half. Yeah, we choose pears which are nearly getting a bit soft, you know. So this is our pears. We cut them in half. Then using a blunt object, a spoon or a knife, we will remove the seed box. This one. Remove the center. We will remove the core. It is also called the core. So we remove the core, and we remove the core of the other. Just use a blunt object like a spoon or this table knife. So the core is out. So when we remove the core, we are going to take our pears to a partially greased pan, baking tray. Here we have our baking tray. This is our baking tray. So I've done the others previously already. So we are going to bring this to bake. We will just bake them for about 30 to 40 minutes. These are the pears, and we do them upside down like this, upside down. So this is what we do, upside down. So our pears are ready for baking. I've just preheated the oven. So there we go. We are putting our tray in. There goes our pears in the oven. We are going to let that bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. Let's have a look at the pears and see. This is secret recipe. So our pears are done. Wow, look at that. There goes our pears. Wow, they've achieved. So this is a secret recipe, as I've said already. We start by peeling them. We remove the inner core. We then, after peeling, then we put them in the oven for about 40 minutes. So let's see how it has gone. Let's see. So this is our pears. Wow, they look incredible. Look at that. Look at that. So let's now dish them out. We are dishing them out. They have browned. If you can see, they have browned in the bottom part is just browned, which is what we're looking for. So we are going to put about 6, dish out about 6 in here. Six of them. So this is our conference pears. The secret to having a delicious conference pear snack or conference pear dessert. Conference pear dessert. So let's just do about 6 of them. So this is our conference pear dessert. Wow, and this amazing. So you can always dish your or have your snack with a bit of honey. Let's try honey just to top up the delicious, the deliciousness in the pears. Just let's just put the honey on the 3. Let me show you again. We are drizzling honey on the 3. This one, that one. If you don't like honey, you just have them as they are. So that's honey. And the other secret is we are going to drizzle the Damson syrup. Wow, here comes the Damson syrup. I prepared this syrup the other day, so you can always use the Damson syrup, to flavor up your desserts and anything to do with fruits or puddings. Let's flavor up the pears with the Damson syrup. Just a teaspoon will do. It's quite a thick syrup, so a teaspoon will do. So the other 3, we are going to flavor them with the Damson syrup. Wow, look at that. Just some few drops on the Damson syrup, on the pears, and on our pears which we have roasted in the oven. Wow. So it's tasting time now. Let's see which one is the yummiest, the honey ones or the Damson syrup. Let's see. Wow, it's nice and soft. Nice and soft. This is really yummy. That's the real deal. This secret recipe is no longer a secret, so you better try it. The pears are tasting incredibly delicious. Let's try the one with the Damson syrup. I really love this secret recipe of mine. Wow, roasting the pears. Oh, I need to try this one. Let's try this one with the Damson syrup. My vote is on the Damson syrup. I really love the taste of the pear together with the Damson syrup. Let me have another bite. This is really yummy. Well done, Damson syrup. Well done. You have made me enjoy the pears. Wow, this is really nice. So I hope, guys, you have you have been with me on this secret recipe where we have roasted the pears, and we have decided that, we have concluded that pears with a little bit of Damson syrup, it is the real thing. Wow, this is the real thing. So I don't mind, just adding a little bit more, and on everything now, even the honey ones. Let's just drop in the Damson syrup. Wow, this is amazing. So I hope, guys, you have enjoyed this this secret recipe of mine, where I have shown you how you can bake the pears, and then you enjoy with the Damson syrup. So to sum up, what did I do? Start by washing your pears, peel the pears, cut them into half, just scoop the seed box or the inside core of the pear, and then just bring them to the roast for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then you will enjoy with a drizzle of the Damson syrup. So I hope, guys, you have really enjoyed this video. So please, guys, please, everyone, do subscribe to the channel. That will make me very happy, and I'll be thankful to you at the end of the day. So I hope you have enjoyed this secret pear recipe, where we have paired the pears with the Damson syrup. Thanks, everybody, for watching. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video.